never wanted to cause thought in your mind. I'm not acting the way I think you'd like. We went for dinner and now you're acting paranoid. If only you knew the way I felt inside on that night. Problem of mine, but I still do it. Now I'm by myself again. I told so many that I can't see them end. So I said, if I could, I would make amends today. I wrote a list of them, the way it starts, the way it ends. I signed my name in marker pen. I must apologize.
Summertime is meant to fall out like a fall asleep instead of your eyes. You're right by my side. Summertime is meant to fall out. I wrote you a poem, but you're surprised. It's right by your side. Top off when I'm not with you, I feel awful. She likes my ideas, she say I'm thoughtful.